Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this CRESIMO 3-liter stainless steel vacuum air pot. So this should be like a carafe kind of thing to keep our hot stuff hot, or probably cold stuff cold as well. Let's see if we can open this up. There we go. And it's came taped on the sides as well. You can definitely tell this is the first time it's being opened. So you're seeing it with me for the first time. So this is the whole pot here. And then we have some instructions here, which says lever action pot. So that's kind of the information if you need it. But let's put this aside and let's check it out. So it's got the bubble wrap on it here. And, oh, I dropped that. Actually, I better pick that up before my dog gets it. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So it's a nice looking pot, and it looks like it's got a little rotating bottom on it. Let's aim you guys down so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So it rotates. So if you stuck it on something, it will turn. And then we have an opening here, close. Oh, I think, is that some sort of, oh, that's some sort of pumping, I guess. And then, I don't know. Let's try this out here. Oh, maybe we pull it. I guess we're gonna have to look at the instructions. I don't know how this thing works. Oh, here, we open it up like that. And then we have this little section here. And then we would fill it up in there. So let's fill this up and see what happens here. Okay, my water is slow, but we got some in there. So we'll put this back in here. So there, that's that. And then we'll close it up. And then this is open. Oh, I see what happens. So now when it's open, we are in pump mode. So if we're gonna go somewhere, we would probably close it. And then, actually we have to close that like that. So now it's closed. So now we can take it wherever we wanna go. We have our soup in here, we have our coffee, whatever it is. And then when we wanna start using it, we go open. And then somebody puts their, oh, I see, it's got the little clip here. And then somebody puts their cup under it here, and we can pump it down, and out comes the stuff. And then we can do it again. We can pump it as much as we want to get it out. And then when we're done, we hit the little close button here, and it just snaps down again, so we can take it with us. How cool was that? And then to open it up again, it was this piece here, and then it flops open like that, and then we can get to our stuff. So really cool. So it's kind of like a vacuum pressure thing that it pumps it out when it's doing that. Really cool. And I see the little clip is in there, so that's how it works. So super cool. I mean, you can show you the top. So this is kind of how it works like that. And you can see in there the little piece here goes against it. So how sweet. So this is really nice. So if you're gonna have to bring hot stuff or coffee somewhere and you wanna have it as being dispensed right from the little container, you're good with this. Otherwise you have to have like a pouring carafe or something like that. So this is great. Super cool. This would be good for, I mean, I can see this is like the thing that they have like at hotels and stuff when they have people, getting your own coffee. But you can do this at home. So if you make a big, huge pot of coffee, you can just pour it in here and have it ready throughout the day, because this thing here is one solid carafe. It's gonna probably keep it warm for forever. So super awesome. Thumbs up from me.